Imagine a garden, a sanctuary of vibrant colors and life. Bright colors fill the space, painting a picture of natural beauty. The flowers dance in the gentle breeze, their petals swaying gracefully. The air is alive with the buzz of bees, tirelessly working to gather nectar. Butterflies flutter from plant to plant, adding a touch of elegance to the scene. This garden is a paradise, a haven for both plants and creatures alike. It's not just beautiful, it's productive, yielding a bounty of vegetables and flowers. This garden is teeming with life, a diverse ecosystem in perfect harmony. Tiny ladybugs crawl on the plants, their bright red shells standing out against the green leaves. They are hard at work, protecting the vegetables from pests, ensuring a healthy harvest. The sweet smell of nectar fills the air, attracting even more helpful insects to this thriving garden. This garden is a perfect example of nature in action, a testament to the power of biodiversity. The secret to this garden's success? It welcomes beneficial insects, creating a balanced environment. These tiny creatures are essential for a healthy and productive garden, each playing a vital role. They pollinate plants and control pests naturally, maintaining the garden's health and vitality. Pollinators like bees and butterflies are crucial for our food supply. They move pollen from one flower to another. This process helps plants produce fruits and vegetables. Without pollinators, our gardens would be much less productive. Beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings are nature's pest control. They feed on common garden pests, such as aphids and mites. This helps keep pest populations in check naturally, reducing the need for harmful pesticides. By attracting these helpful insects to our gardens, we create a balanced ecosystem. This benefits both the insects and our plants. Flowers are the key to attracting beneficial insects. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our garden ecosystems. Different insects are attracted to different colors, scents, and flower shapes. For instance, bees are often drawn to blue and yellow flowers, while butterflies prefer bright reds and purples. By planting a variety of flowers, we can attract a diverse range of beneficial insects. This diversity helps in pollination and pest control, creating a healthier garden environment. Brightly colored flowers like sunflowers, zinnias, and cosmos are highly attractive to bees and butterflies. Their vibrant hues act like beacons, guiding these insects to their nectar-rich centers. These flowers often have open shapes, making it easy for insects to access the nectar and pollen. This accessibility is crucial for the insect's survival and the plant's reproduction. Herbs, such as dill, fennel, and cilantro, also attract beneficial insects. These herbs not only enhance the flavor of our dishes but also support the garden's health. Their small clustered flowers provide easy access to nectar and pollen. This makes them a favorite among smaller insects like hoverflies and parasitic wasps. Plus, they offer the added bonus of fresh herbs for your kitchen. So by planting a mix of colorful flowers and aromatic herbs, you can create a thriving, insect-friendly garden. Section 4. Creating a welcoming habitat. Planting tips for an insect-friendly garden. Creating a welcoming habitat is essential for attracting and keeping beneficial insects in your garden. Here are some tips. Plant in clumps. Insects are more likely to visit flowers planted in large groups. Provide a water source. A shallow dish of water with stones for landing will give insects a place to drink. Avoid pesticides. Pesticides can harm beneficial insects along with pests. By following these tips, you can create a thriving ecosystem in your garden that benefits both plants and insects. Section 5. Reaping the rewards, a bountiful garden in harmony with nature. In this section, we explore the beauty and benefits of cultivating a garden that thrives in harmony with nature. A garden buzzing with beneficial insects is a joy to behold. These tiny creatures play a crucial role in pollination, helping your plants to produce more flowers and fruits. It's a place where nature's symphony plays out in every corner. The gentle hum of bees, the flutter of butterfly wings, and the chirping of birds create a serene and vibrant atmosphere. The rewards of creating such a garden are plentiful. Not only do you get to enjoy the visual and sensory delights, but you also reap tangible benefits. You'll enjoy a healthier and more productive garden. The presence of beneficial insects can lead to better pollination and pest control, resulting in more robust plants and higher yields. Your flowers will be more vibrant. The increased pollination activity ensures that your blooms are fuller and more colorful, adding to the beauty of your garden. Your vegetables will be more abundant. With the help of these natural pollinators, your vegetable plants will produce more fruit, providing you with a bountiful harvest. and you'll be playing an active role in supporting the vital role of pollinators and beneficial insects in our ecosystem. By creating a welcoming environment for these creatures, you're contributing to the health of the planet. So, let's join hands and transform our gardens into havens for these tiny helpers. Whether you're gardening alone or with family and friends, every effort counts. By doing so, we can reap the rewards of a bountiful garden while contributing to a healthier planet. Together, we can make a difference, one garden at a time.